Fossil fuels burning, pollution increasing. It's just one of those things that needed to be addressed, and a Goa-based startup has come forward to do so. Welcome to Downshift, and this is Kabira Mobility's all-new KM 3000 and KM 4000. Some looking machines these are that give you an experience unlike any other. Thinking about the fact that the motorcycle has no final drive, where the wheel itself is the motor. The motorcycle comes with an integrated battery pack with a charger placed exactly where you have your fuel spout. While the charging, being a Type 2 model, can be charged in any part of the country. The bike accelerates from 0 to 40 in around 3 seconds. The bike comes with a host of electronic features such as 3 riding modes, 1 reverse gear, which are beautifully indicated in the form of the TFT display on the KM 4000 and on the LCD display on the KM 3000. Indication 1 equivalent to economy mode, indication 2 equivalent to city mode, indication 3 equivalent to sports mode. And there's also a cute little switch which you can press and accelerate to go reverse as well. The experience of riding an electric motorcycle is unlike anything that you have ever come to witness on a petrol-powered machine. The seamless acceleration that takes place as you twist the throttle is unlike any other. Leaving the throttle disengages the power, resulting in the battery regeneration. Since these are pre-production prototypes, we do feel that these bikes can be worked upon in terms of the handling and the brakes. And we expect some amount of refinement before the deliveries begin. Pre-bookings for both these motorcycles have begun at Kabira's website. The deliveries for these machines will begin somewhere in the month of May. And for pricing, well, do follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description. That's all, folks. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.